Hi guys, I'm Azira Shafinaz. I hope you guys enjoyed our performance earlier. But for those of you who didn't know, we are DFAM, and that is our first ever single called #Supergirls. You guys enjoyed it? How's your day so far? Okay, great. Okay, actually, aside from singing and acting, photography is also something that I truly love because I get to capture inspiring moments in my life. But you know, when taking photos, sometimes we always come across challenges such as sometimes photo kita out of focus, betul tak? Yeah? Out of focus, overexposed, and sometimes too dark, right? I'm sure you guys have experienced this before. But now, that is why today I would like to share with all of you the smartphone that just won my heart. That is the Huawei Nova 5T. Okay, now what makes it really unique is the 5 cameras. I'm not kidding, guys, there's 5. It comes with a quad AI cameras at the back and a 32 megapixel front camera, which allows me to capture great shot from morning till night. And most importantly, the AI technology helps to enhance all the photos that I take. Guys, isn't that amazing? Yeah? It also recognizes the scenes and objects more accurately to create the perfect optimized shots. If you don't believe me, let me take a selfie real quick. So all you have to do is just double tap. Ta-da! As fast as that. Smile, guys! Peace! Yeah. As easy as that, you can straight away post it in your Instagram. Super cool. And one thing great about the 32 AI megapixel selfie, it ensures that all my selfies are always flawless. I mean, tipu lah. Kadang-kadang kita ambil gambar macam, tak cantik. But this one, I'm not kidding, every selfie is the best. As you can see right here, if you don't know where is the camera, it's actually on the top left of the phone, right there. And it can create a 45-degree golden selfie angle that captures the best side of my face, left or right. Super amazing. And another interesting feature is the 3D emoji that showcase a more fun and unique side of me. Take a look. Isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable, guys? So you can choose either penguin, bunny, cat, your choice. And okay, I have a question. I'm sure everyone here loves to take photos of their food first before they eat. Yeah? Anyone? I think mostly everyone. To be honest, I'm actually guilty of that. I'm a big foodie. But just take a look at this mouth-watering shots. It's super amazing. With the Huawei Nova 5T, you can capture your food in details. The AI will automatically kick in when it detects the food. And all you have to do is just snap away. And another thing, I love to take photos of flowers. This is where the macro mode comes into play. It allows me to capture the close-up details of the flowers. Look, hey, there is an ant. Saying hello to everyone. Hi! All right, and my shoots mostly are outdoors. And my biggest concern is always the backlight from the sun. Have you guys experienced this before? The backlight from the sun? Yeah? Well, the Nova 5T has a selfie mode that automatically uses HDR Plus to increase the details capture. Take a look at that. You can see my hairline, my baby hair. And personally, I love traveling. Do you guys love traveling? Yeah? Okay. And for me, I think when you travel, you get to meet new people, and sometimes when you want to take a group shots with everyone, you can't seem to get everyone in, right? Due to space limitation. That is why, with the super wide angle Huawei Nova 5T, you'll be amazed how we can capture from the same position that creates two different perspectives. Take a look at that. Later, we should take a wide selfie together. Okay, and another interesting feature that I personally love is the AI Super Night Mode. Now, no more dark-looking images, guys. No more unclear photos during nighttime. And I don't need to bring my selfie light anywhere anymore because take a look at that. You don't need lighting anymore. It's perfect. Only with the Huawei Nova 5T. And also super wide-angle lens and AI Super Night Mode together, there's no worries to capture the night sky without any compromise to the quality of the photos. One word, just perfecto. And the Huawei Nova 5T has so many amazing features, and it really is a great smartphone for Instagrammers like me, and I'm sure for you guys too, making every shot great, and I strongly recommend for you to try it out. Oh, sorry, I forgot to silence my phone. Hey, someone just posted a new video on Instagram. It's Mark. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Bye, see you later.